Hello everybody. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to set password on Windows. To set a password on Windows, you need to press Windows plus I to open settings. And once you open the setting, in the left hand side, there's this icon for the accounts. Under the app, select this accounts. So over here, scroll a bit down until you find the sign in options. Select the sign in options. And from here, you can select the ways to sign in for your password. And you need to select this password. And if you already have a password, you'll get this option for the change. But if you have not set your password yet, you'll get this ad and you need to select this icon beside it. And after that, you need to type down your new password and confirm your new password as well. Then you can also give a password hint. And after that, select next and that is it. This is how you can successfully set password on your Windows. Thank you for watching this video. I hope this video was helpful. If you have any queries or confusion, please comment down below and we will reach out to you very soon.